Thokozani, sanibonani. Thokozani. I hope you're right, guys. I don't want to make this video so long. I've missed you so much. I hope you guys have missed me too. So I thought, let me just go back to the basics, because last entire it's gonna be very, very confusing. And if you know what it is about, so I was like, it's again you know. So lana ngiphethe ikhandlela leli njani, leli blue. Ikhandlela leli blue as ngathi ninonke nadi ukuthi nilisebentani. Ikhandlela leli blue lisebenza nalo ngitindlela letihlukahlukene depending ukuthi ufuna ukulisebenzise lani, you know. So the obvious one that everyone knows ukuthi it connects you with your paternal side, your father's side of the family, you know. Ngihambe ngithi niliconnectana nimakhehla, right? Just like iyelo iconnectana bogogo, right? Yeah. So lana blue connectana nimakhehla akho. But what I love about the khandlela leli, especially when it comes to nini lenithi gogo, I have inzunza, I have mzawi, I have water spirits, I have tiswinga tasemandini, I have khosi basemandini, I have water spirits. Now umngani wakho, this is your friend. This is your friend. You need loan. You need this blue candle. You need. Why ngithi you need it? Because blue naye usebenza ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi akhona ukuthi akuphakamisele idalwa takho tasemandini, akhona ukuthi ni acconnect nabo the moment livutha, you know, because it blue lidonsa lengelosi, just like you're gonna be dreaming of ilbhayi or injedile blue, ngathi nilijazi leli blue, speaker lesi blue, dubule blue, yeah, kuyahlukahlukana, but yes, umngani wakho should be this one, because liyakhuluma kakhulu liyakhuluma, nanoma uphahla kumbe uyathandaza, use it. It should be your friend. Sometimes you can use it alone, only mixing an next, because you are trying to connect nimajoti or netithunya takho tasemandini. Litokusita kakhulu, whether be it khosi, whatever, just like I have mentioned. If basemandini, please normalize having this blue candle. Toksita kakhulu, please, you guys. Kind of things I cannot stress this enough. Alright, so yeah, liyakconnecta, liyakuvulela, liyakulwela. I hope ukuthi ngivakalile uyaphahla ngalo. Nangokuthi uyaphahla, phahla. Nangokuthi uyathandaza, thanda. If you're doing it both, do it both. I mean, I prefer doing it both because yeah, that's where you get fast results. I'll show you lutho. You know, it's not like you focus on one side, but going to uyakuhlanganisa because kukhanya kube kuhle. So blue ukendela tinto takho ukuthi ihambe fast because ukupitela amakhehla akho asemandini, uyaconnecta, uyabavusa, uyabamemeta, nje na umlayitha nje bavele bathi sesikhona. So normalize using it. Gogo ngiphahlela kuphi? That's a video for another day. So if you have water spirits, please, you need blue. You need this blue candle, right? You need it. Thokozani ema khosini. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys.